I have long held the belief, in manufacturing, it is better to just toss mistakes into the scrap bin. Otherwise, you pay for the subcomponents, assemble them incorrectly, disassemble them, rework the materials which no longer match the spec, reassemble them, and you just did the job 4 times, so you spent 6 times the money building something that is wrongly made. You could have just tossed the junk and built a new one. I used to have to write rework instructions for parts that had minor problems, a hole too small or in the wrong location. By the time the reworked parts were done, the new parts could have been made, assembled, and shipped. Because it feels like waste, muda, they would go to great lengths to avoid having to admit the mistake. Saving face with the brass. A second crew held full-time positions in the organization, just doing rework. It took 6 years to get the idea across that pokey yokes were a better investment than having trained rework crews in a separate department that did nothing but fix mistakes. 2 years after I retired, I was asked to help train someone to write work instructions. I worked 3 months and wrote a full set of instructions for the project they needed right away, while the guy I was training wrote rework instructions. They sold the business a year later. It is a cancer in the manufacturing community. Now, I spend all kinds of time fixing something that is far beyond worn out and wasn't necessarily good before it wore out. That is me having fun and making hopefully interesting videos. I don't expect to have to meet a bottom-line audit or compete in the open market for sales.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.